everyone. Today we are going to learn how to add the extension in Microsoft Edge browser. So click on Microsoft Edge from taskbar. Go to settings and more option, and here we can see extensions option. Click on this. Here it is asking open Microsoft Edge add-ons website, and also you can click on manage extensions. Click on manage extensions here. Here it is showing installed extensions. You have not installed any extensions. So click on get extensions for Microsoft Edge button here. You can see there are most popular and newest. So click on which extension you want. So now I will click Adobe Reader. Click on get button here, and it is showing like the extension can read and change all your data on all websites, read and modify your browsing history, manage your downloads, and communicate with the cooperating native applications. So click on add extension button here. It's downloading. Okay, and here we can see the extension option here, and click on this extension option, and from here also you can redirect to manage extensions. Click on this, and here we can see whatever the extensions we have installed, we can see here, and if you want we can remove, or if you want you can disable also. Okay, if you disable the option, it won't show the extension option here, and if you have enabled the extension option, it will show here. And also you can find the extensions from Chrome also, Google Chrome. So click on this Chrome Web Store option here. So I need to add this extension, PayPal Honey. So click on this. Click on add to Chrome button. Click on add extension button. It is downloading now. And again click on extension here, and click on manage extensions. You can see from other source. Okay, you can see the details, and if you don't want, you can remove it also here. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.